Discover the pinnacle of contemporary living with this expertly designed Amazon prefabricated expandable container tiny house, where modern flexibility meets timeless appeal. This versatile dwelling immediately impresses with its clean lines, crisp white exterior, and inviting covered porch. Every detail combines practical functionality with aesthetic appeal, from the durable roof design to the weather-resistant exterior materials. Expand your living outdoors onto the spacious, charming covered front porch, complete with elegant white railings. Not only an ideal setting for relaxation or entertaining guests, but enhances curb appeal and provides practical protection from the elements. Step inside an inviting open-concept living area. Throughout the home, large windows ensure abundant natural light and superb cross-ventilation, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Thoughtfully planned, the interior layout includes from 2 to 4 bedrooms, a complete bathroom and kitchen, comfortably accommodating families or guests with ease. This home's truly innovative design allows for remarkable customization, with an expandable length from 20 to 40 feet, making it perfectly adaptable to various lot sizes and diverse living needs. The warm, natural beauty of wooden deck flooring extends the living space, creating inviting outdoor sanctuaries. Whether you envision it as a primary residence or a serene vacation escape, this prefab house offers modern comfort infused with traditional charm. Its robust construction combines strength and style, making it ideal for both urban landscapes and off-grid adventures. For unparalleled spatial enhancement and true mobile freedom, consider the double-wing design with an optional on-wheels feature, offering supreme flexibility. Perfect for direct sale or custom setups, this luxury container home is designed for those seeking a small footprint without compromising on high-end finishes. With efficient installation and setup, this truly ready-to-use housing solution offers an exceptional path to your new lifestyle. Please check the link in the description for more info. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.